Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. I thought I was going to have a video for y'all this morning. Got a call yesterday. People had a furnace that was sounded like it was either igniting or going right out or not igniting at all. And so I made an appointment for this morning to go work on it. And I get there and I asked the guy, I said, so it's just not lighting? He said, well, it seems like it lights, but it goes right back out. Okay. Well, let me go around to the flue, and you turn it on. Let me listen. Well, good night. The fan motor sounds horrible. Sounded like it was barely turning. It did ignite, but it smelled horrible. So it was not burning correctly because the fan was not turning the correct speed. So I go around, I talk to the customer. I said, hey, it's no problem. I said, I'll pull that furnace out. I will take it with me. I will order a new fan motor, and I will test it, and I'll repair it and test it, and then I'll bring it back and put it in. No big deal. And he's like, oh, well, how long is that going to take? I said, well, it takes 3 days to get parts. He's like, oh, we're leaving Sunday. I was like, oh, you didn't tell me any of this. So, yeah. So then I pull over up here to shoot this video, and I was getting my camera out, and dang if I didn't drop it. I dropped it, it hit the bumper. I was trying to catch it with my legs, and it went plumb to the ground. It's like, good night. So it appears to be working okay. I won't know for sure until I go to edit, but yeah, these Canon, what is it, D50? They really don't like to be dropped. I don't know. It's kind of like my fluke meter. It didn't like to be dropped either, even though that wasn't the first time I dropped it. If you didn't catch that video, it's a short that came out recently, and yeah, it didn't like to be dropped either. So heading to another town. A guy over there that seems to think he could have a bad wheel bearing. So when he got their camping spot, either they noticed or someone noticed that the wheel looked kind of cockeyed. And he bought a set of bearings, and that's all. So we're gonna go over and jack it up, see what's going on, see if it truly has bad bearings, and hopefully that will be a job, because this one wasn't a job. So I know this is not a repair video, and but this is the kind of thing that, well, a lot of times I will do as a Patreon video for my patrons. So if you're interested in this behind the scenes type stuff, there's a link in the description below that takes you to my Patreon page, and you can sign up there. And I try and post videos once a week. Usually on Wednesdays, and just for my patrons. And yeah, if that's something that interests you, check it out. But don't do it. I don't care. So let's go to Fayetteville and see if we have a job today, because this one didn't work out. So y'all have a great day. We'll catch you next time.